Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete the Wi-Fi network profile on your Windows computer. This should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the network and internet tile. Select where it says Wi-Fi on the left side. Again, it would say Wi-Fi for you. I only have an Ethernet connection, but if you had Wi-Fi, you would go ahead and select it. And then there'd be a list of Wi-Fi connections underneath. You would just go ahead and select whatever Wi-Fi connection you want to remove, and then there would be a Forget button right underneath of that. So that would remove it from your Wi-Fi network profile. So again, you would select Wi-Fi from this list, and then there'd be a panel on the right side that would say Wi-Fi, and then a bunch of Wi-Fi profiles underneath. Just would go ahead and select whichever one you want to hide or remove, and just would select it and then select the Forget button, and that would be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.